a function is periodic if there exists a c greater than 0, such that f of x plus c is equal to f of x. And the smallest such c, okay, is referred to as the period of the function. Okay, so what do we mean by this? So suppose we have a function, and then we have, x, okay? And then x plus c has the same value, okay, of f. This is f of x, okay? And this is x. Has the same value, okay? Well, that means that not only for x and x plus c, but every value between x and x plus c. So for instance this, and suppose this has this value, then x plus, let's call this x2. Well, x2 plus c will have the same value, okay? So what the definition says is that this function is having this, suppose we, from x to x plus c, we have this version of the function, for instance. Well, what the definition is saying is that if I take that now x plus c, then x plus 2c, the function is going to be copied again. Okay, if I was good at painting, you would see. Okay, and not only that, x plus 3c, you would get the same copy of the function, right? And over again. Okay, so in windows of length c, okay, the length of this window is c, you get the function is repeated in this kind of windows, okay? Okay, but now if you look at it, it's clear that this function is also repeated in windows of length 2c, right? So the function from here to here, okay, it's again a copy. You have this and you have this, right? But so you could take any multiple of c as a window, and then you would see that the function is repeated in that window. But so that's why we take the smallest number, such that this property f of x plus c is equal to f of x is fulfilled, and we call it the period. Okay, classical periodic functions are the sine and the cosine. We'll see them later on. So the sine goes like this. Again, sorry about my painting abilities. And so this is f of x is the sine of x. Okay, so this function is repeating itself. This is pi, and then this is 2 pi, and then this is 3 pi, 4 pi. So every 2 pi you have a new copy of, this is 6 pi, a new copy of the function. Okay, but if you think about it, again, you could think, well, this window of 4 pi, you have 2 copies of the function, so this function is also copying itself again and again. But so the smallest window that makes the function copy itself is 2 pi, and you have this classical, this is the function, the form of the sine function, okay, from 0 to pi, and this is repeated over and over again, either to the negative side and to the positive side, right?